before every performance, my heart is beating so hard. Tanvi is my niece. I was very excited that Vashuji had given me a film to direct, and now from an actor, I've become a director. I was saying to somebody outside, I think Karan, that I'm from theatre, I'm from stage. And before every performance, my heart is beating so hard, my mouth is getting dry, and that's what I'm feeling right now. And I'm also overwhelmed. I'm moved by the love that I've got in the last so many years. But Tanvi the Great is very special. Tanvi the Great is Tanvi is my niece, and she's great, and that's how I got the idea of making this film. My writers, Abhishek and Ankur, we sat together. Baman was our help. I'm sorry that Baman is not here, Ian Glenn is not here, and Arvind is not here, and Nasser Saab, they're all abroad. So this journey started about 3.5 years back, and Andy, I'm so happy to see you, our colorist. So many people. Anil ji, thank you so much. बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. भावना, थैंक यू. भावना और कोमल सुपरस्टार थे, सबसे एंड में आए, आपके लिए वेट कर रहे थे. अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था. But thank you, you're here, you're friends, you've been with us. So I don't know, you ask me a question, I'll answer that, because there are too many things and we have so many things to show today. I will be able to be brief if you ask me a question.
Somewhere, you know, you've answered the question saying कि stage पे चढ़ने से पहले वो theatre background है, because see, every time we've done this, I don't know how many times.
Yes.
Every time you're like super calm, super cool. आज थोड़ा सा कुछ.
Because आज 2-3 responsibilities हैं. एक I'm a director of the film.
Yes.
It took me 23 years to make a film, because 23 years back when I made Om Jai Jagdish, it was not my story. And I was very excited that Vashuji had given me a film to direct, and now from an actor I've become a director. And then I thought one day I will make a film if it is from my heart. So 4 years back I was in Gurgaon attending my brother Raju's daughter's Vrinda's wedding, and everybody was dancing, having fun. And my 13-year-old niece at that time, now she's 17, Tanvi, who is autistic, she was standing on a corner and looking at the mountains. So I asked her, Tanvi, what are you looking at? She said, I'm looking at my world. And that statement shook me a little, because she could not describe what her world is, and I could not understand what her world is. And that gave the seed to the film. And I wanted to do it in a musical manner. I wanted it to be larger than life. I wanted to have it epic quality. And I was very fortunate that I'm a great admirer of Keeravani sir, M.M. Karim sir. And I called him up because I wanted only him. In this film, I have only wanted people, I have always and only got them. So and he was traveling to some place, and he said, okay, sunaiye. So I think I must have mentioned about 7 or 8 minutes, and he said, I'm doing the film. And just 2 days back, he had got an Oscar. We are so fortunate, we have 2 Oscar winners here. That's in itself is the richness. Then when I recorded the songs, Jackie once came home, and I played the songs with him, and he said, wow, and both of us had moved togetherness, and Jackie became part of the film, and then Baman, and then of course Arvind Swamy, and I wanted Ian Glenn to play a role, and Karan I requested, I said, I want you. So I must say that all my actors, all major actors, because there was an incident that happened because my financier pulled out of the project 1 month before the film was to go on floor. And they said, जब पैसे होंगे दे देना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And that really is so good for a director, producer who is just trying to sort of tell a story which is very personal to me.
Yes.
Because this project is not that I wanted to make a film. And then of course Mr. Thadani came and saw the film, and he called me at 1:30 in the night. He said, few things which I don't. He is now, after he's said that he's taking the film, now he's very reserved because he's like that principal जो student को बोलता है ऐसे ऐसे करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना है, which is very thankful because thanks to him the film is looking the way it is. Yes. And then of course we now we have Excel Entertainment, and I'm so thrilled that Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidwani are part of it. And then Mr. Rasool Pokoti means the magician of sound. The difficult task was to cast Tanvi. And anyway, we have revealed that. For that, Kausar Munir has written some unbelievable songs. And one thing I must say that when we were having the New York premiere, so you asked me outside, why did you start from abroad?
Yeah. Why not in India?
So I feel it's a film from India for the world. It's a universal subject, and autism. And I didn't want to show autism as a disability. I wanted to show autism as superpower, and that's what comes across. And my whole team of assistants, my music का बारे में बता दिया मैंने. There are two girls who are doing the debut for the first time. They have sung playback singing. Kruti is here, the choreographer, the legendary. She's young legend, not legendary. अभी बुलाने में time है, but she always makes me feel that she's legendary. And Bright के हमारे दोस्त हैं. थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपके बगैर तो पोस्टर ही नहीं लगते हैं. ये वाला हमने जैसे तैसे लगवा दिया. अब आप लगाएंगे तो और भी अच्छा होगा. या
So that's all about it, sir. Trailer देखेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले.
So I thought, Keeravani sir, thank you very much for coming under the circumstances that you have come here. I really am deeply moved by you. Were supposed to come yesterday morning because of some issue of your family. Father is not well, sir, and you still came. That shows your commitment to work and your friendship with me. I think Keeravani sir's father is very, very, very unwell, but he came. So I would like to invite the musical team. ये हमारे जो गाने हैं, they are going to sing live. I thought it will be because trailer में music गाने नहीं हैं. And thank you Z for taking our music. And I wanted two new voices for Tanvi's. I said we must have something believable in terms of, because वरना लगता गाना सुनते आपको लगता है ये उसने गाया, which is brilliant, which is fantastic. But I thought let's sort of use. So sir ने जब हम rehearsal कर रहे थे, by the way we did the music of the film 1 year before we started shooting. I knew this is how I want. And he made me listen to 2 tracks by 2 young ladies. And he said, अब किससे गवाना है? मैंने कहा इन्हीं से गवाना है. And because if you like something, and I run an acting school where I think I'm supposed to give chances to new people. And someday, 40 years back, Mahesh Bhatt and Rashri gave me a chance. And I'm standing here because of that chance. So, Gomti Iyer and come. या मुझे सब पता है आपके बारे में, ऊपर आके बताते हैं. Gomti, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Shagun. Shagun is a very dear friend's daughter, Mr. Sodi, who used to do background score for all the Neeraj Pandey films and so many other films. They have sung, and we have Gemini sir. Gemini sir, where is... oh, there is. Mr. Gemini sir is with... and Bharat, who is fondly called Pondi because he comes from Pondicherry. So Kareem sir has given him name Pondi. So Pondi, Bharat, please come. And then one and only, the world's most favorite, my most favorite music director. He's an institution. Knowing him in the last 3 years have been one of the richest experiences of my life. Not only from the music point of view, I think he is the most unbelievable storyteller, and also has a richness of heart. He's very funny, and he is a magician of music. Mr. M.M. Keeravani sir, thank you. We also, among us, also have the presence of the film has a background of army, and a friend of mine who is General Pushkar. He's here as a friend, but thank you, sir. We General Saab, we acknowledge your presence. Ashok, you're always there. Raj has sung a song. Ashok's son, he sung a song. And sir, what should we do?